Every cough tugs at a mother's heartstrings.
How long has your kid been coughing like this?
Nearly a week now. A lot of kids at home have been coughing too. We thought it was just a common cold and tried cold medicine. But the cough keeps getting worse and now struggling to breathe.
We should check if it's whooping cough.
What is whooping cough? Whooping cough is an acute respiratory disease caused by Bordetella pertussis. It's highly contagious, especially common among children. It causes intense, spasmodic coughing fits, often with a whooping sound at the end.
We need to take a sample for nucleic acid testing to confirm.
Nucleic acid testing identifies Bordetella pertussis quickly and accurately.
Based on the results, we can create an effective treatment plan.
Timely treatment helps children recover and grow strong. Let's act to safeguard children's health. Beyond Diagnosis, by your side.